Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel for those who are new. Hi, I'm Aishwarya Gupta. It is my Dadi's birthday tomorrow and we have celebrated a whole week with a lot of different ideas. Let's go day wise. My mom prepared games and activities for every day and she divided the days into 7 colors because a week has 7 days and Dadi's turning 70, so we did 7 colors. Mom decorated the whole house every day with different colors. Example, the first day was I think white, then that was yellow, blue, green, red, orange, and all colors that I think Dadi likes. And she asked Dadi's family and friends to bring in write-ups, so she got 70 write-ups, and every day we've been giving her 10 write-ups each. So that's how we're gonna go about it. Let's get right into it.
Now we are 7 days before that, so the countdown begins. Instead of violet, we're going to keep it as white because
she's obsessed with white. We're gonna give her like a poem, and then we're gonna give her the write-ups of the people related to the color white. Mom is keeping the clue for Dadi to guess the color for today.
white color. White. Yes. Very good, mommy. And now, आपके लिए ये है. You have time till 12 o'clock to get ready.
Till Dadi is getting ready, we have been assigned the work to cover the table with all the dishes Mom has made.
मम्मी के लिए सब white चीज़ जो मम्मी को
Alright, it's day 2. I just got a haircut. Anyways, now we are going to give Dadi her second day ka envelope and we all are wearing yellow. Alright, so Mom gave an idea that we are going to give her like an envelope. We're gonna stand outside and I'm gonna ring the bell and let's see how it goes.
Again, you have till 12 o'clock time and
To get ready. First, Mummy third, Papa last. Dadi's on a call with her Australia friends. It's day 3 and we are in pink. It's day pink and let's see what we have in mind today.
Oh, thank you, so cute.
Oh, hello, background noise बंद करो यार.
गए थे 24 हो गए।
दादी पापा ना फिर से
अरे इसको कलर की चीज पता है
18, 40, 24.
It's day 4 and I am wearing a dress. It is green color, like the color of the day is green. And let's see what we have for today.
Mummy, see who's behind the screen today? रीता आंटी, कौन सी लगाती हो क्रीम? कैसे लगती हो? इतनी neat and clean. Even at 70, you are evergreen. So what is the color today?
And it's orange today. It's day 6 today and today is color red. We both aren't in red yet. We're gonna be changing. Bua Fufa coming home, so yeah, we're really excited for that. And I'm also really excited to show you guys the house because we've done a lot of decoration today. So yeah. मुझे बताओ भी सब क्या क्या बन रहा है आज के लिए.
पुदीना बिरयानी बन रही है.
बिरयानी,
Yeah.
खाउसवे, पास्ता,
ग्रेवी.
खाउसवे का ग्रेवी.
ये फ्राइड नूडल्स.
महाराज जी पास्ता बना रहे हैं.
मम्मी कुछ नहीं बना रहे.
पास्ता का रेड सॉस है, पास्ता का व्हाइट सॉस है. हमने दोनों सॉस बनाई है.
ये बेटा अगर मैं नहीं बना तो टमाटर ये गांठ होता है.
Bouquet. Our neighbor sent it and this was from one of our family members. So yay.
Cake is also there.
Oh yeah, you guys. So my Bua Fufa left like half an hour ago or something. So I did not take any videos because they don't really like to be on YouTube. But I can show you guys the cake.
Yeah, you can put this bowl.
Hi,
Hello.
it's day 7. It's the last day. We both are wearing blue and looking pretty good. And we are going to give Dadi her 7th day ka, what is this known as? Like a coat sort of a thing for her to get the next write-up. So let's go.
Sweet, oh so sweet. Kitty friends are a few, some are old, some are new. They have written something for you in the room which is blue. Oh,
I think now including Dadi, even you guys know the drill of decorating and the write-ups and everything. So I'm just gonna show you the decoration now. Yeah, mom has tried to give a sea effect, so she's put a little fish, a little unicorn, and she's put a boat with the write-ups in it.
This is our game table. We'll be standing here and you have to throw this on that. 10 पे आया तो 10 points, 20 पे आया तो 20 points.
तेरी पढ़ाई जैसी गंदे नंबर.
It's Dadi's birthday today and mom has something in mind, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Wait. Hi Dadi.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
See. Mom has decorated Dadi's breakfast table and Dadi got a little bouquet from a friend. Excited?
Yes, so excited.
Okay, now let's see what mom has to give, okay? See what mama has in mind. Happy 7 and then she's put a tea ka thing, so happy 7 tea. Tea time and that's a breakfast.
Oh my god, oh my god. Aishu.
I changed because we are having a karaoke night for Dadi. She loves singing and she's really good at it. So we thought let's just have a karaoke night. So we bought a mic for her birthday because she was insisting on one since so long and it has come out really good. So let's go. It's 12:30 and we just got done with karaoke.
I am really overwhelmed that everybody has participated and very thoughtful for me, and this has come to an end now. So please like, share and subscribe to Ash's Life.